Howdy y'all, coming at you today with an install video of the Magpul AR ESK, the Enhanced Safety Kit for AR platform firearms. I've already unboxed everything that comes in the kit, as you can see in front of you. Starting on the left, you should get a total of 6 paddle retaining pins, 3 black and 3 red. For whatever reason, my kit only came with 2 red ones, but no matter. I'm going to be using the black ones today. The reason I'm going to go with the black ones today is because I've actually installed this kit on one of my other ARs. That one's in 300 blackout. This one is 223-556. So I'm going to use the black just to give it a little bit extra, a little extra visual identification of which firearm I'm actually carrying. So I'll just use those 2 of those black retaining pins. It comes with the barrel, the safety barrel, 3 paddles, 2 full size and 1 about a half size. And then you get the plunger and the spring, which of course are mounted inside the pistol grip. Speaking of pistol grip, you can see that I've already taken the pistol grip off of this firearm. Nobody wants to see that boring part of the video, so I already took that off. Fairly simple, just remove the lug. Make sure you take that spring and the plunger that come out. One note is that Magpul recommends that you use their included plunger and spring. So hold on to your factory plunger and spring for future use if you want to swap back to the factory paddle. So you can see we have the factory paddle still installed in here. I'll show y'all how to take that out if you've never done it. All you got to do is make sure that the hammer is in the cocked fire position, and then you can go ahead and remove that and put it off to the side. With that done, we're ready to go ahead and get the Magpul safety selector switch installed. All right, so one of the big things that I like about the Magpul safety selector switch here is that you are able to mount this at a 90 or a 60 degree throw. I'm going to be mounting it in the 90 degree mode, and the way you're going to be able to tell which way to mount it for the 90 or the 60 is with this little marking on the barrel here. So this will be your indicator on where you want, on which option you'll be choosing. So if you put this little, I hope y'all can see that little marking there, just a little arrow. If you insert it from left to right, it will be at the 90 degree throw. So if you go from the left side over to the back side that has the magazine release button, that will be the 90. If you insert from right to left with the bolt catch, you'll be at the 60 degree. So like I said, we'll be going to the 90 degree today. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of our paddles and we're going to line up to the correct position, and we're just gonna push it on. And you'll get a little click when it slides into place. There we go, just got it. I don't think that was audible, but I felt it. And another way you can check is if you can see all the way through the hole on the selector switch in the barrel. Next step, all we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of the paddle retaining pins and we're just gonna slide it into that hole. You just work it back and forth, and there you go. Once you hear that click, that nice audible click, you know you got it in place. And what we're gonna do, just gonna go ahead and slide it through. All right, we got the rifle flipped over, and we're gonna install the paddle on the other side now. So just like the first side, we're gonna take our paddle, slip it over the barrel, the safety barrel, and we're gonna install the paddle retaining clip. There you go. Rotate it in. There we go. Clicked into place, and now we have it secured to the receiver of your AR. So the next step is going to go ahead and is to reinstall the pistol grip with the spring and plunger, and then we'll do a functions check. So I'll be right back with y'all as soon as I get that back installed, and I'll show you the functions check. All right, let's take care of that functions check. So we can see that we're on safe. We'll pull that trigger and we have no movement. So that's a good thing. What we'll do is we'll move our lever over to fire and we'll pull that trigger and we get movement of the hammer. So that's excellent as well. Move that hammer back down to the cock position, rotate to safe. Let's pull that trigger one more time and we have no movement there. So we have confirmed that everything is installed properly and working as it should. All right, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it informational, and I hope it maybe gives you the confidence to go out and purchase one of these for your firearm with the knowledge that you can get it installed in just a few easy steps. All right, y'all, head on over to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I've got plenty more videos on firearms, knives, other EDC gear, and some other silly stuff. While you're there, I would greatly appreciate it if you give the channel a subscribe and keep on the watch out for more videos to come. All right, y'all. Appreciate your time. Have a great day.